that's say mechia etiefo kankan me constituency for and this weekend is me former school secondary school I'm call one the 50th anniversary.
Okay.
Debano was this Saturday. Me bought one boy in Basu.
Okay.
Unfortunately, the president could not come.
Okay.
We expect his Obeba but me no gift chum deputy minister for education by. No. It was beautiful. Me the joy was the fact that me could share me classmates been money a day. You know, after 30-something years. It was very beautiful.
But almost couldn't you?
Manyan Krobo secondary school. Now, Farmers Day, yebebo ekuafo abaso. Na yebe kan say wama yema any adwuma pa wamo eye. Na kuyaye minya opportunity minya kwan kakra na me kasa wo yenye die na se municipal program na ye no na me kasa no me ka kire wo mo se oba aban the planting for jobs for food and jobs aba na say you can't planting for food and job no dey me gidi say me constituency na me district on no eye baby a say you can't woman di kuaye aye woman adwuma ama woman nya abodin ama woman nya ejapade a na bebre efi me honomo and that me can say we can even use some of them as an example if we want to motivate the youth say woman so no mo fa kuaye because woman wo ejapade akese ye nyine beto ye woman tibi tokas ne ade wo me krum nyina no na woman ya amanfo mo do ebro banche bordie ne ade you know anything no eye bibia eda ho no mo say kuaye no ye ho no ye fa ni agro unfortunately no ene no obia pe na ntem mo program bi amu ye kwani ni say upe sikanin tem dia kuaye no ahwe ya wani enyi ho because ubedua ade no betwen bi abo 3 months 4 months ansana usika ebeba die no nso ka ho ma emrantie no se na mo pa ntem ni ntino em se womu di womani akokire no ma bebre eso nanso no with good examples uba mi krum hono ma you can mention names like you know there's one man called Mr. Samaji. He never went to school but eneno uko mi krum hono ma hu abrosan mienu mienza ebia ne de biese mienu na wom hu dan ayefe hu kas emma akotwa so akra ba ne maso ne ma nyina so they also took you know agriculture and farming very very seriously woman no ko do bayere wotiase ni wenu ni ade ne ma and they are okay maybe this is a good example for all of us to you know learn from na okay no so ampa me so no me yekuya ni bi me yekoko kakra me ye what do you go body any wenu but me absentee farmer once a while now obetimi anya kwan akọ no akọhwe but me gidi say
honorable gusu I mean introduce you and honorable Fuseni is MP Okaikwe North yempotemu he ya na obekan say honorable akwaba
mejo so
apombo
nyamenado
ehu na ache
me ba na me beto
all right
be 2-3 weeks
what itana me ni ho na aba
so
honorable ko fa bia ba say absentee farmer
yeah that's right
and ebinim wo ho a sa absentee farmer no as a derogatory ntino say ebinim fa de say o ka say absentee farmer just say okura am say phone we ni nye ho but me feel so bi betimi aye absentee farmer and still be doing farming to said the or say no enti wo ha na ya ka kuya say media maybe mem wa share some of your personal experiences because obi wo ha no oti
Yeah.
Or person or yebi. Where then now we MP think how then now.
Well, me wo fortunately for me, me papa just as kakra bi wo enyam nchini hono mo side. And you know what I do is that I provide the inputs at the ma me busuafo na omo hono mo no. Ani wo nipa me di asase na hye ne nsa no. Say ye cocoa me na me koto seedlings no. Say ye body a sockets no ni ade nyina me koto. Once a while no, say me ntimi kokora me small bi na okokohwe. You provide them with the inputs. But a woman say unso them okoho. Okay. Now okohwe the ekoso. Okay. So that is what is going on for now. Yeah.
But question I'm basically say it used to be the case that can Ghana economy I say agrarian.
Yeah.
Being agrarian somewhere along the line, I say either say na ye minim say na ye na ne anti agrarian I say in terms of say na ye economy ni base no and I say na ye ni na emma so na say kwan be ni be fa so a ye sase bibri ba ye wa ye see Israel for kra ba mo be test mo timu say e krofo mu asase power yet ha na ye kra nuane no then I was say ya e betimi anya papa
normal mienu miensa bi if you take example of what is happening in the US, for instance, womu kuafo no omu osika pa.
Yeah.
Kuafo. Omu osika e wo hono mo. Na ohwa womu sika womu nyina be brave aban interventions. Because there are certain places in the US where a farmer say you turn 20,000 now ko turn 20,000 bia na ube tua tax be se bia 5,000. The fact that you are a farmer, maybe you may not even pay anything at all. Well, and now a bansu subsidize or more duanino. And you know, and yet the problem say Oberton duanino. But I had no, there was a time I make a baby say, Uko Akumada area, them man money idea. There was a timer, a Mrantier Edward share in Tos.
Yeah. Any other vegetables?
Yeah, that's right. Don't be brave. But unim. When we do one who didn't seem a bar, a bien bar, no munya to for.
Yeah.
Omunya to for. And you know, a bit more so I'm got Jibusia and son of the age one. That's almost share to the extent that is a binumucrat to me committee suicide. Because
or the car.
Now, in those who are back. Now, a ban is omunya to for because we don't process. Sometimes you know so the variety na ye duano so another problem. Also tomatoes no o hwe de fi Burkina e ba ha no no hwe de dua local ni adom say baako and the moisture content ni high nsuo wo mu no doso. So dey say na de fi suro hono ba no so no o hwe a na eno no nsuo enim papa bia nti say o process a aduane a wo benya wo mu no
a dorsum
and the dorsum will back on the encourage among for some go into processing because you need a lot and son of it me kakrebi. So they say you know the variety na you do so count and the first thing you so doors will no and check
kakrebi na
the higher the moisture content you know the shorter the lifespan of the you know food crops in general.
Yeah,
because content who dry say check but the bunch to home because of the moisture and you see and start to say it provided a very good environment for one or baba so no amana pro. And you know to start with, you know, I say here the varieties and the kind of crops na ye duano varieties na ye duano. Yen share one the ebe year you be grown all year round. Ebi a year disease resistant. Ebi honma extreme temperatures near day a withstand it. So they can grow it, you know, over the period. Now you grow so we so I say say we provide some market for the you know the farmers. Now I say the previous government, you know, the where president buffer stock near the to grains near day. I think they are continuing. And look around normally support to free SHS for everyone in the say. I think that one a bit me because who do the answer when it does was say I did me harvest here and me ye bedding me swap. It will encourage a lot of people. But I mean as a young man. Now me who say me papa body ebu and that body come baby I babu because ebu but a seasonal. A tremu we are now uko the conditions under which a woman living now, it will not attract anybody to go into agriculture. And it, let's find a way. One, providing them with the appropriate, varieties that will grow. No, you guarantee woman, market. Let's try and processing. Well, supermarkets, of course, supermarkets, and as a malls near the worker. You get fresh fruits. Most of them are from South Africa.
Yeah.
Plantain, plantain. But plantain, no. You turn fresh. Now they are safe. Today they display banana anyway. You can sell it fresh like that to a fridge. But they are not doing it. Oh, and it my farmers, Nina Kahuma encourage the youth, Emma woman take it up, agriculture for that matter, farming as a woman profession, as a vocation, be a bema woman, what do you call it, a juma. And it, yes,
government in Shishaya,
that's right.
That's our policy of planting for food and jobs.
That's right.
Addresses are near me.
Kakra.
Kakrana can anyway.
And I make us say, let's share the variety, in terms of what we grow. We are the processing aspect, let's guarantee the farmers, some, prices. So we know it will come from, support, subsidies. So woman grow, woman harvest, woman say, Edriani am harvesting. I'm going to get so much. And any idea, market, me call body, and I say me call me the bag of Hanuma, not Nina Baby Boo, na market women who should take advantage. On trains are Anajo. So what one is idea? Yeah, cool. Now almost because almost pay Biskaka Krabia Koto with now the amount. And I tell you, sometimes you know one cry, one fear the Nuguno because they can't carry before.
Memorable break was a person a bra unia casano. You best about the issue of marketing. Because we business nasa when him say we na ubin twa encourage said the okay. What we are saying, quite bit me a fast be ensure say Onipa no kwa akoye wonim se the baby me kai se those days no na ye wo Ghana GFDC Ghana Food and Distribution Corporation na no ya me call nsuatra member me do sunyane kiosk na omo ye food distribution kiosk me me kai be kura na esi me be duru ho na eda so esi ho but na me hwe policy document na o say in respect of variety, alongside the Plants and Fertilizer Act 2010, the Ministry of Food and Agriculture developed the National Seed Policy, which aims at supporting the private sector to champion the production and supply of improved seeds to farmers.
That's right.
The National Seed Policy clearly states the regulatory framework for variety release, licensing of varieties, accreditation of seed quality control functions, and simplification of seed import and export process. Now, this framework, and 2013, Now, this framework is to help streamline seed production for Ghana. But also, however, as shown in Table 2, certified seed production for maize, rice, soybean, cowpea, sorghum, and groundnut has been fluctuating over the years. So document here may refer to let me get it right here. Because it appears as a brief way assessment of implementation of planting for food and jobs. For program, no lessons and way forward. And eno, eno ya ade a person ye dream ho e wo ha say.